This is the HUTAKUZE 4-pack of smart bulbs. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual and the 4 bulbs. They're just your plain old LED looking bulbs like that, except they are smart bulbs. These are RGBCW bulbs. So RGB, red, green, blue, C for cool white, and W for warm white. These bulbs use 9 watts and put out 806 lumens. You could also set up a schedule, a timer, and they're also dimmable. So let's go ahead and get this set up. These will use either the Smart Life app or the TuyaSmart app, so you'll need your phone or tablet to get them set up. You'll notice right here there's blinking going on, which indicates the bulb is ready to be set up. I have the Smart Life app here. I'm going to hit the plus sign and add device. We're going to go over to lighting. And the first one is fine, BLE plus Wi-Fi, which is what this is. It says to reset the device to ensure that it's blinking rapidly. It is, so we'll hit confirm rapidly. And it asks for the network. Let me get that set in. And it says adding device. So we'll just wait for that to count down. Just like that, you already see the light has grown solid. And of course I'll be demonstrating all of this to you once the app finishes setting up. So it has set it up, and I'm going to call it Smart Bulb. So we're going to go ahead and hit save, and I'll show you what it can do. Now, like I said, you get the bulbs. Unfortunately, you don't get the lamp. No, you can't buy this lamp. I actually made this lamp, so it's one of a kind. But the bulbs will go in any standard lamp. It's a regular Edison type base. Now that it's set up in the app, here is the app right here, and we can do warm and cool white on the first screen. So right now it's a warm white, as you see, and I'm just going to dial that all the way over to cool white, and you see the light has changed. So I'm going to change it back, and you can go anywhere in between. So that's about halfway in between and all the way cool white. And you could dial it to exactly how warm or cool you want. And like I said, because this bulb is RGBCW, you can get a true warm white and a true cool white. You also have your brightness right on there, a little slider, so we'll just kick that down to 50%. It's dimmed. My camera's going to readjust. I've dimmed it all the way down to 1%. I'll kick it all the way back up to 100, and that's what it can do there. But of course, there's a lot more. We can go over to color right there, and magically it has turned red. You have a color wheel, so once again, same kind of idea. We'll go into the purples and into the blues, sort of a cyan, into green, and into yellow, and back into red, just like that. Now let's go to a nice, good red. Let's see what's good here. Somewhere about like that. So here you can do the brightness once again. So we can dim that way down or brighten it. And the contrast, you see how it got lighter, more into the purple range? Well, it sort of works like painting. So if you're painting with, watercolors or something like that, or acrylic paint, for example, you have a nice dark, deep red, and you want to make it lighter, you'd add white to it. So you're decreasing the contrast there, and adding white to red gives you a pink, or in this case a little bit lavender. And again, you can just move the color wheel along with that and go to any other color that you want within. You see it's in green now, so if I dim it down to about there, you can see how that goes, and we can just go right around and always go right back up into whatever color you want it. You can go to your timer over here and set a time that's like a countdown timer or a sleep timer, at which point it will turn off. Or you can go into more, and you have plan, schedule, and biorhythm. And that'll be left for you to figure out as far as how that goes. There's also scene mode. So when we go to that, the light has changed right here. And you can see how we can get different scenes for different types of work. It was working, leisure gives you a more warm, soft color kind of changes it to green. And there's the colorful mode as well. And as you see in colorful mode, it will just go right through. This is dazzling. And another thing you could do is go over to Music Sync. And now the lamp will respond to my voice. As you see right there, it changes colors when I talk as such. So we're going to go back to white for a minute. Back to plain old warm white, because there's more. Now, it's beyond the scope of this video to demonstrate this, but if you had a voice assistant such as an Amazon Alexa or Amazon Echo or a Google Home Assistant, this will work with it, and it's voice controllable. You just ask. I set this to smart bulb, so I just ask for the smart bulb to be red or blue or green or any other color you want. Or if you want to dim it, you just say dim it to 50%, 25%, full brightness, anything like that. You can do all that. So once again, this was the 4-pack of smart bulbs from HUTAKUZE. One other thing is these bulbs have a lifetime warranty. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.